So there's David.
Oh, that's Kevin.
When he coughs a lot, he gets smaller. He looks younger.
That's Kevin.
Oh, okay. There's David. That's better.
Ow.
What does it feel like?
I don't know. It doesn't do anything.
What hurt though?
My finger on my zipper.
Oh. Does your David? What hurts when you cough? Anything? Does your throat hurt?
No.
Does your mouth hurt?
No.
Do your toes hurt?
No. What
Okay.
the?
You were saying that your chest gets real strong when you're coughing in your tummy.
It's normal.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what makes you cough. Your muscles tighten up and make air come out. Good job covering up. You said sometimes stuff comes out, right?
No, just up my throat.
Up your throat?
Yeah.
But not all the way out your mouth.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Not really nice, but I don't like it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, do you like it?
I don't. Doesn't feel right when stuff comes up, but it's good.
They're in your bag already.
Yep, they're in your bag. Black bag.
Do I have to get out
Black
my
shoes.
shoes when I get there?
We'll figure that out later.
I don't know. Yeah, we'll
I'm
ask.
not supposed to wear boots.
Yeah, we'll ask them. We have shoes and you actually have clothes. There too. What do you feel like right before before you cough? Does it tickle? Does it hurt? How do you know you have to cough?
It just feels like I do.
Does it ever surprise you? Like, oh my goodness, a cough came up.
No.
No, you know what's happening.
Mommy. Like right now.
Mm-hmm.
Now can I talk to you?
Okay. That sounded a little loose.
Huh?
That sounded a little loose, like something was crumbling around in there. Coughed.
Whoa, my God. This thing's gonna be so heavy.
Okay, do you want to just carry it with your hands since you're going in there?
No.
That was me.
Ah. This thing is heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Daddy, just look at how big it is.
That's huge. It's like you're gonna be gone for a week,
You look like a big turtle.
but you're definitely not weak.
Okay, nice. You got your zipper. Okay.
Okay, say goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye. I feel like I'm gonna ride the bus.
A black bus.
So Dad's going to bring you to school,
Mm-hmm.
Dad.
and I might see you when I'm dropping off Kevin from preschool, but otherwise have a great day.
Okay.
Bless you, Lily.
Can you do one more cough?
I don't feel like it.
Oh, all right.
Art.
Okay. Have a good day. Bye-bye.